biofilm is? Biofilm is a very tenacious plastic-like substance. It looks like a film. It contains a huge amount of microorganisms. Most of them are commensals. So how does a commensal turn into a pathogenic bacteria? And how does aerobic bacteria turns into an anaerobic bacteria? Or how does a simple aerobic bacteria turns into a facultative one? It's a very difficult question to answer because three things have come up today in the journals. One is the eDNA, which is secreted by this microorganism, which floats in a biofilm, which comes out from a cell. It can linger for long times, for years together in a biofilm. Once you dry that biofilm out, or once you dissert that biofilm out, this eDNA is not going to work. So eDNA is one structure which helps one cell to talk with the other and transfer the genetic material from one cell to the other, turn one cell into a pathogenic one. So if you go on culturing, you will go on finding some microorganisms which are commensals.
How to get rid of DNA? Get rid of DNA.
Fragmentation?
Fragmentation. If you break that biocell, this biofilm, if you go on disrupting this biofilm, that's the only way out. So even if you have a pathogenic biofilm on your body, you go on stubbing. Once you break that biofilm, there are chances of the biofilm content going down.
But
So
still
this
there
brushing
are
will help.
This brushing will help. Cleaning any part of the body will help.
Actually,
because-
brushing at night is more important than brushing in the
Yes.
early morning.
Yes.
That you must stress.
Yes, yes. That is important because this biofilm sticks to the mouth or sticks to the tooth for a longer time of about 8 years, about 8 hours. Number one, it becomes a closed cavity, so anaerobics can breathe. Number three is the biofilm becomes static. The biofilm is a moving structure like a wave. So once you sleep at night, the biofilm becomes fixed. So it becomes easier for the microorganism to transfer from one place of the biofilm to the other. It also helps in breathing. So once you once you brush at night, this biofilm breaks. Once it breaks, it becomes difficult for the biofilm to again form and ultimately mature in another food. So this is a helpful thing which Dr. Samuel has said.
So regarding that instrument which you were using, that probe,
Yes, that can be only applied in the oral cavity.
the oral cavity means you apply it to that biofilm area only.
Yes.
How many sittings do you require usually?
Hardly 2 or 3 sittings. It will remove this calculus which is formed on the biofilm. Once the biofilm is formed and you don't treat the biofilm or you don't disrupt the biofilm, it will go on interacting with the microorganisms in the saliva and it will start drawing the saliva. So how this saliva, the outer surface, go on sticking to the biofilm, number one. How the microorganisms in the distant part, say on the skin, comes to saliva like this. If you treat like this, the biofilm comes from the skin to the oral cavity. And the next moment, I am doing it like this, taking out pen and holding the door handle. I am continuously transferring this biofilm. So if this biofilm sticks there, if you don't clean it, cleaning is the only possible way out because there is no drug against this biofilm. Once the liver drugs comes against this EPS, EDNA.
Artificial denture. Denture.
Yes.
Biofilm can stick in it.
Yes. Biofilms, huge amount of biofilms can stick on it. And usually on artificial dentures, if someone doesn't clean it, you will find the biofilm containing a huge amount of candida albicans.
Yes.
So it becomes very difficult to treat. So mouth is a audible thick structure which goes on distributing this biofilm to the other parts of the body.
Another important dental problem can cause heart attack. It can coronary plaque जो आपने बताया वो it has been found out.
It cannot cause a heart attack. But if you have a prosthesis, if you have a valve, it goes on finding a Streptococcus mutans
Yes.
from the mouth to the heart valve. So you always need to cover the Streptococcus mutans. But each time you remember, you are covering that microorganism only. You are not covering the place where the microorganism is residing. It's the EPS. So if you cannot kill that EPS, if you cannot disrupt that EPS, if you cannot disrupt this eDNA, if you cannot disrupt this humic acid, if you cannot disrupt this fulvic acid, you cannot treat a biofilm. So you are persistently in a threat time you think of pee, wash your hands nicely.
Yes.
Don't do it like this. But some people have the habit of covering the notes
Should not.
and even
Even flipping the pages of the book.
keeping the pages. This is one form of not transferring the Bible.
Both commensals as well as septic foci, both are forming the generally.
No. The biofilm is formed by the slide. The slide, which is EPS, is a polymeric slide. It's a huge long chain containing carbohydrate, which is secreted by this microorganism. So which forms a platform. It sticks on the substrate, and on it, the microorganisms aggregate. It goes on collecting. So why these microorganisms are transferring from one distant place to this place is still not known. Number one, which is pulling or which is pushing, we don't know. So this is not known, but the microorganisms will go on collecting on this. So if you stick a biofilm on this board, and if we see it after 15 days with an ACM, we will find huge amount of microorganisms on this biofilm. So how this biofilm is pulling that microorganisms here from, in this case it will be from the air, but in case of the body it may be from some other part of the body.
And for regarding dental plaque formation, is it a biofilm is the precursor of plaque? Early
Biofilm, this dental plaque is only a part of that biofilm.
Yes.
Dental plaque is a smaller part of the biofilm. The
Really,
dental plaque
really.
is situated within that biofilm. So that biofilm is continuous with the film in the mouth, the film in the other parts of the body. It is consistently continuous. You see this biofilm in the mouth, which is continuous with this lip, and ultimately crosses the vermilion border and goes to the skin. So the biofilm is continuous. Here, if you are touching here, you are basically touching a part of the biofilm which is inside the mouth.
Then how you want to proper bathroom of breathing?
Hmm?
How to go breathing and all?
Within all my
All
kisses.
What is all?
So by kissing also biofilms are transmitted.
Yes.
Yeah.
So kissing biofilm is usually transmitted. So if you remember, there was a disease, layman's disease. It's called the Saturday night fever. So on the Saturday nights, they used to have fun outside in the pub, and they used to kiss. And this virus was getting transferred, and it was causing a low-grade fever on Sunday morning. So it's the biofilm which is carrying this virus from one
Things happen in
mouth.
But dentists are good people. They must
Those
know
things
about
happen.
biofilm.
So I should say thank you.
Thanks तो मैं बोलेगा. और ना thank you.
Was set to notice.
Like a cinema
अरे पहले मैं thanks देगा उसके बाद तुम लोग you will be very happy to know I have got functional SLG. And a big party is due. That will be decided by my present bosses MD and CMD.
So if this man is not conscious, he will be transferring a biofilm from West Bengal to Maharashtra.
I will only kiss dentists so that they have minimum amount of biofilm. They know how to remove biofilm. So we are very happy. Dr. Lahiri gave us such a enlightening talk on this biofilm formation. So the basic is you must brush your teeth. Brush your teeth at night. And don't kiss to strangers. So this is the two messages. So and another tomorrow we have at 12:30 the AIPI. You are to tell. Now our Dr. Jha, who is continuously and strenuously continuing these meetings, will you talk you to something?
Dr. Lahiri gives us a very enlightening lecture. Well, give a big hand to Dr. Lahiri and his team. And last time he has given a very new enlightening idea regarding the beauty and facial structures and dentures.
Yes.
Regarding this, and that is a very nice lecture. Still, I am looking at by the grace of you on YouTube. You can go for that lecture. The beauty criteria and facial structures. Such a nice collection he has given in that time. This time also a new enlightenment idea. Anyway, after 4 to 5 weeks. I came to back to this again this momentum, and I hope all of my friends will continue for coming weeks. We have a very good scientific lecture here, and we'll at least benefited from each other. All the spectators we are going to arrange tomorrow. We have invited more than 60-80 doctors. All of them will attend tomorrow at 12:30. We'll have a clinical meeting of API West Bengal chapter tomorrow at 12:30, and we'll finish at around 2 o'clock. So all are invited, especially young doctors and all medical college professors, and they have gracefully we have already invited them through SMS. They will come tomorrow, and at least they should see our cases generally, and definitely it will be good forum.
और एक बढ़िया खबर है, डॉक्टर झा को इंग्लैंड से हार्ट डिग्री मिल रहा है बहुत जल्दी.
That part is my course in Middlesex University, London. I have been enrolled 7 months already. Waited probably in November. By God grace, if I will clarify that exam, I will get my degree in in diploma in cardiology from Middlesex University.
Big hand for Dr. Jha.
But
We pray for his success.
At present, is already going on examination, and it will be final at Fortis Hospital, New Delhi. There are 3 centers in world. One is New Delhi, and is Dubai, and third is London. I hope you will.
He will be top. We pray.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you all for
attending this meeting, and I will be going to Mumbai, and welcome to Mumbai.
ये अपना एक अपनी Saturday night fever की सबसे